Think two homes with the exact same floor plan cost the same to build? The difference can easily be over $100,000. One of the biggest cost drivers in a custom home is the finish level. Imagine a 3,000 square foot home. The structure stays the same. A builder-grade kitchen might use stock cabinets, laminate countertops, and basic fixtures. A mid-range kitchen could include quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, and better appliances. A luxury kitchen might feature custom cabinets, premium appliances, natural stone, and designer lighting. Now multiply those upgrades across every room in the house. Dream Home, cost to build, lets you compare finish levels and see how they affect your budget. Before you start designing your dream home, test different finish levels and build a smarter budget. Download on the App Store